We need rough note and pencil.
Please do.
What we need to do?
You are going to balance it.
Let me do.
Can you people do it? Try it.
Not.
Okay. Any success?
Wait, sir, I'm doing.
So all of you who missed the classes yesterday, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Right? Can you write the equation?
Sir, I balanced it.
Good. Here is 2. Any question? Any question? And here we have 2D. Anybody has any question? Or D times 2. Any question? Anybody has any question?
No, sir.
I'm not able to hear. Dasika, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
I cannot hear your voice. Can you people tell me for O?
1 plus 2a is equal to
1 here.
2a
Yeah, 2A.
is equal to 3c plus 2e.
Here we have C into 3.
2 into e.
Any question? Dasika, can you tell me for carbon?
I don't know what we're doing.
Dasan, can you tell me?
I don't know, sir.
Good. Akshit, tell me for carbon and explain them.
See, simple. What we are doing is on left side and right side, we are finding how many carbon atoms are there. For the first side, so if carbon was in the first element, there will be no sign. But if it's in the second one, there we wrote A, and there's 1 carbon, so we'll write C A into 1, which is 1 carbon, and then we have no more on the left side, and then on the right side we have 2 that we can write as D2 because there's a D right next to it. And C1 D2.
C into 1, right?
Oh, I thought it was hydrogen. Sorry.
That's it. Okay. So can someone tell me about sodium?
b into 1 is equal to
Dasika or Darshan?
So
That's
B
equal to-
times 1
Yeah, here is sodium. B times 1.
is equal to C times 2.
C times 2.
Yeah.
Any other element left?
No.
Darshan, can you tell me about oxygen?
Also,
Can you tell me about oxygen? Dasika?
So
This is 1.
so 1 times 1.
I said I know, sir. I know.
Done. Dasika, go ahead.
1 times 1
That's okay.
is equal to E times 2.
Darshan, you tell. Darshan, are you there? Just with what Dasika missed.
a times 2 on the left hand side, and
You see, here also we have. Right?
on the right hand side we have c into 3.
Did you understand, Dasika?
Yeah.
What about hydrogen?
1
That's equal-
times 1
One
times 2
Good.
is equal to D times 2.
Fine. So we have got 4 equations. Can you people tell me what is the value of A, B, C, D? Dasika first.
Is it C? A is equal to C.
Pardon?
A is equal to C.
A equal to C. That's okay. So we have A equal to C. Good.
Me.
Akshay,
Sir, first we have D will be equal to 1,
D will be equal to 1 from this one, right?
and then we can't use D in anything else.
So we will have, tell me,
We will predict we'll predict that we'll take 1 into 1 plus a into 2 equal to c into 3 plus e into 2
So
and
1 plus
a into 2.
1 plus 2a equal to 3c plus 2e, right?
Yeah, and then we'll also take
Why take this one? First take a small ones.
okay. So we'll take 1a equal to
b
a
equal to 2c, right?
Yeah.
So we can write here b equal to 2c. Then
Then we can do
a equal to c.
yeah. So c equal to a.
That's we don't need. So 1 plus 2a equal to what? 3c plus 2e, right?
Yeah.
Convert all into c.
Sir, we didn't keep the value of e that on top. You only wrote 4.
Yeah.
Sir, D.
Where is e? So what we are going to do? We are writing here. We will change this 2a as to what?
2c.
2c.
Because on both sides there is c.
Now what happens?
So
1 plus 2c equal to 3c plus 2e, right?
yeah. Then so c is equal to 2e minus 1.
2e minus 1 equal to 3c
Minus 2c minus 2c cancelled, right?
And then you put the 2. No, you first take the 2c over this side like that.
2e
Which one I should take which side?
Take 2c to that side and 2e to this side.
Easier is to take this out to this side.
Okay.
Because
3c minus 1.
2e equal to 1 minus c. Any question?
No.
No questions.
Now we cannot solve it. So we have to assume one of them.
You can assume c is equal to 2. E is equal to 2. We'll assume 2.
C will be what?
C will be
If we, sir, what are we assuming it as?
E we know, right?
We don't know e.
We can take C anything.
C will take as 2.
This will be E become minus.
So we'll take 1.
What is equal to?
We'll take 3.
What? What we will take 3?
It won't come.
What comes out? The sum solves.
Sir, can't we just do in a simple way?
What about E?
E will take as 2.
How will you do it? C will become minus.
He's cheating. Sir, this is unfair.
Can anybody suggest how to solve it? Both
We
C
can,
and E have
sir,
to be-
we can take E as minus 2 and if we put
Ah,
them
E,
on that
C and
side
E have to
and
be
then you
positive.
cancel the minus
Yes,
and minus.
can. C and E has to be positive or negative.
Sir, wait, sir. I have idea. If you take E as minus 2 and bring the 1 to that side, then it will become
E
minus
cannot-
3.
Akshit, number of moles cannot be minus. What about if C take half?
Still, it won't come.
Let us try.
So E is equal to 1 by 4.
So A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to E equal to, right?
Yes, sir. A is equal to
C
C.
is half.
B
So
is equal
A
to
half, right?
1, sir. B is equal to 1.
B equal to 1, C equal to half, D equal to what?
E equal to 1.
How is a half?
E equal to 1 by 4.
Look
Yes.
at this.
Yes, sir.
Look at the bottom.
Sir, sir, E is equal to 1 by 4, sir.
Hello.
24.
Karthika.
Yeah.
A equal to C, B equal to 2C.
Yeah.
Right? So we assume then we have to do this only.
Sir, E will then be 1 by 4.
E will then be 1 by 4, right?
Yeah, now we have stuck into a problem.
Is it okay or not?
No, it's not okay.
Why?
We have a problem.
So now we have values. First was 1, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1, and 1 by 4. Right? Not.
Yeah, but
Because
there's a
remember, first we did 1. This was 1. Yes or no?
yeah.
Yes, sir.
We got all values or not? They cannot be fraction. So Darshan and Darsika, we don't want fraction. What we need to do to remove the fraction?
Sir, reciprocal.
Okay, Darsika,
You just times them by half. Like
time by? Time by what?
Time. Just time.
times
Time?
it by 2.
2 will not solve our problem. How much will solve our problem?
4, 4, 4.
So answer will be 4, 1, 4, 2,
Sir, that is 2, sir.
and 1.
Sir,
Sir, that's wrong. Sir, that's wrong. That's wrong.
Is it not correct?
Yeah, it's not correct.
Why?
I did it. My answer got different.
So your answer got different. I'm not telling your answer is wrong. I'm just trying to see 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, right?
Okay, try match it.
4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. Can you count hydrogen on the left and right?
8 and 8.
Oxygen?
5. 4 and 5.
4 times,
5 and 5.
4 times 1 is 8 and 2 times 2, 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. This side 3 times 2 is 6 and 1 times 2 is 2, 8, right? Carbon?
Wait, what?
Carbon.
2 and 2.
Sodium?
4 and 4.
Did we do it or not?
Yeah.
Akshay,
Wait, I'm thinking.
So what we did, listen, what we did, we wrote something we want. Do you understand?
But mine is also correct, but it uses different values.
It is possible. It is possible.
Okay.
Are we clear or not?
Clear.
We wrote the question, right? Very good. So that is chemistry, right?
Yeah.
Darsika, we have to fix your class timings.
Yeah.
Go back to old timings. You want to do earlier or whatever. So
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Do you want to join these classes or not?
I
Friday
can't do
you cannot.
Friday. Friday I
Saturday,
can't. Then
Sunday?
it's Saturday, Sunday. I don't know because sometimes I have to go out and stuff. So
So then we will have to work on one of these days you are joining these classes.
yeah, that's because I have to go out and stuff. That's why I can join one of them only. So
Yeah, so we will work on other ones. Okay.
yeah.
Can you send me your other class schedules again so that we can work on that?
Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Now this was chemistry, right?
No, it was math.
It was chemistry. What is concentration? Anybody have any other?
Yes, I know concentration. Can I say?
Yes, go ahead.
Concentration is that how much solute is dissolved in a solvent. Concentration is how much solute is dissolved in a solvent. So if there is more solute than the solvent, then it's concentrated. But if there is less solute but more solvent, then it's dilute.
Okay, what is difference?
Dilute HCl and
What is
concentrated
difference
HCl.
between solute and solvent?
What?
What is difference between solute and solvent?
Solute is the substance which mixes with the solvent to form a solution. Solvent is the substance which dissolves the solute to form a solution.
We all are having a drinks party.
What?
Okay? We all are having a drinks party.
No.
Listen, and we mix three things: water, alcohol, and soft drink.
And what?
Soft drink like Coke.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
No ice.
You can choose two of the three, or you can choose all three.
Can I choose 4?
We don't have 4, only we have 3. Alcohol, water, and Coke. Listen, you choose 2 of them and explain me which is solvent or which is solvent.
If I take Coke and the alcohol, you are mixing the Coke a little. You are mixing a little amount of
What is
alcohol.
solute and what is solvent?
So solute is the alcohol and solvent is the Coke.
Okay, somebody else. We have 3 things I told you. We mix 2 or 3 of them. Choose any 2 or 3 and explain me what is solute and what is solvent.
So if we take water and alcohol, water will be the solvent and alcohol will be the solute.
Okay, fine. That's an Dasika.
If we take water and like the juice or whatever.
Hello,
water
not yours. We are only 3 options we have. Water, soft drink.
Yes,
and
soft drink. That's what I meant.
alcohol.
Soft drink. So water would be the solvent and the soft drink would be solute.
That's it.
Dakshin, we can't hear you. We cannot hear you. Your voice is very, very insignificant.
Okay, Akshat, explain your answer. Fix your audio.
Usually they mix a little amount of solute in a large amount of solvent.
Hello,
So they mix a little amount.
don't give me explanation. Just give me your answer based on what you selected.
What? I told already, right?
No, I don't want to be philosophical answer. Tell me what was your answer. What was your solute? What was your solvent and what?
My solute was alcohol and solvent was Coke.
Why?
Because usually solute is taken
Usually not, dear. What is your choice? Not usually. Just with her.
So we are taking alcohol and putting it in water because.
What was your choice first?
Yeah, water and alcohol. Water is the solvent and alcohol is the solution.
Why?
So we are trying to decrease the concentration of alcohol.
That is wrong answer. Dasika.
Because.
What was your choice first and why?
What's the question, sir?
Hold on. What was your choice?
Soft drink and water.
What was solute and what was solvent?
Solvent was water and the solute was soft drink.
Okay, why?
Because you're mixing soft drink in water.
That is very, very stupid answer. So, you understand my feelings here. Don't go by my words. So I understand your feelings, but this is a class of logic and science. I don't give you any points. Okay, I understand what you're trying to say, but no points. Okay, that's it.
Then what is the question?
Your audio was also bad. Okay. Okay. The question is, we have 3 things: alcohol, soft drink, and water. You choose 2 or 3 of them and tell me which is solute and which is solvent.
Sir, liquid is solute.
Pardon?
Sir, what is the question? Can you repeat me, please?
Okay, we will bypass you. Akshat,
Yes.
explain your answer again. What is your choice? You saw how Jasmita and Nasika answered. I want you to answer that way.
I think
What is your solute? What is your solvent and why?
my solute is alcohol and solvent is coke, because we use coke to dilute the alcohol.
Okay. The thing is that all of you mean you have word meaning statements, but that makes me not at all satisfied. I will give you a 0 marks if you people answer that. The answer is very simple, and that's start listening. Why I cut you off? Because if you were not listening, you should have told me earlier you were not listening. Okay, I'm not happy at all. So listen, if you all and I am there and I want to drink alcohol, right? You pour 80 milliliter alcohol in my glass, and my glass is 200 ml, right? 80 ml alcohol you will put. How much water you will put?
200 minus 80.
Nasika,
120 ml.
Akshit.
What?
I have a 200 ml glass. You poured 80 ml of alcohol. How much water you will put?
120 ml.
That's an. Pardon?
120.
Why will I come for a drinks party to your house? I'll drink water from my tap, right? Would you invite me for a drinks party or water party?
Drinks party.
So if you put 120 ml of water, why will I come to your house?
But there's still 80 ml alcohol.
Oh, well, forget it. You are cheating here. So perhaps 80 ml alcohol and 20 ml water is okay, right? That is what you people mean, right? The larger quantity is solvent and a smaller quantity is solute.
Okay.
What you are offering me, you are using solvent water and solute alcohol. And I thought you invited me for solvent alcohol and solute water. Did you understand or not?
Yeah.
So if you offer that kind of party, nobody will come turn next time to your party. Did you understand the difference between solute and solvent?
Yeah.
What?
That the bigger amount is the solvent and the smaller amount is.
Obviously, there is no difference between solute and solvent.
And
the
why do
larger
they have two
quantity-
different names?
Oh, that is why larger quantity is solvent. You tell me water party is there, some alcohol will be mixed in that. I'll decide whether to come or not. You tell me alcohol party and then you serve me water. That is unfair, right?
Yeah.
Now, Coke and alcohol. Okay, you give 80 ml alcohol and 120 ml Coke. I will be very upset. 80 ml alcohol and 20 ml Coke is fine, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Let us assume alcohol is not there. So would you like to have we served 80 ml soft drink and 120 ml water mixed?
No.
That would taste bad.
Taste bad, forget it. If a restaurant serves you like that, what will you do? You will call them cheaters.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So if both of them are in similar quantity, it is very difficult to say which is solvent and which is solute. But one is larger, one is a smaller. Larger is solvent and a smaller is solute. Do you understand? It is just a relative term. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes.
But if one is solid and other is liquid, then liquid is solvent. Did you understand or not?
Yeah.
If you take 200 ml water and 500 grams sugar, it is still water solvent and solute is sugar. Did you understand or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
What? If both are liquid, the larger quantity is solute. Sorry, solvent, right? But what about salt and water?
Salt is solute and water is solvent.
Right? Salt plus water. Doesn't matter, it is 500 gram, it is 100 ml. Or it is 50 gram, 100 ml. This is solvent, right? This is solute. Yes or no? So I change it to sugar. Exactly same thing or not?
Yeah.
What if I make it a liquid?
Big
I
problem.
was about to ask you that.
Yeah, what if I make it sugar a liquid, heat it, it has become 300 ml liquid, and now put the water.
This sugar syrup will be solvent and water will be solute.
Are we clear or any doubt we have?
No, sir.
Any doubt we have?
No, sir.
No.
What is gas and water? Liquid. If I put 500 gram of oxygen, okay, plus 100 ml water, what will you think?
I don't know.
Well, guess it and then I'll correct you.
Maybe oxygen is solute and water is solvent.
Whenever you have different states, liquid is always solvent. Did you understand?
Okay,
It
sir.
does not depend on density. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Are we clear or in doubt we have? Do you have any doubt?
No.
No, sir.